It's super cute, super duper cute. I love it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my hair, and currently it's 1 month old. It's really not that bad. I purposefully didn't do my edges because I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. It blends well with my natural hair. It actually looks like my natural hair, which is not, but I might do my edges for this videos. Look, the good thing about this hair is the older it gets, the more natural it looks. With that being said, enough of me rambling. Let's just get right to the video. So the very first hairstyle I'm going to be doing today is the half up, half down. So I just have my scrunchie. You can do your edges at this point. For the up, I'm gonna use the hair. For all my girlies who do not have a scrunchie on hand or maybe like a ponytail holder, you can use the hair. You can be creative with it. So use the hair, go ahead and twist it, and you just tuck it in. There we go. And then it can just look like a little soft part. We have the hair like this. We're gonna use our hair that we already put in a ponytail, a little bun with the same hair. Alright, see, this is cute. Like, you can literally style this hair anyhow and still look cute. This is really nice. I love it. If your edges are done, you can twist it this way. See, the reason why I said that, because your hairline is going to be showing, which is still not bad because the hair is blending into my natural hair, so it looks natural, but I'm not going to do it like that. So like this, I'm going to twist it. So that way it hides your edges. You know, if you feel like, oh my gosh, I don't want to put too much gel on my edges, it's okay. This is your hairstyle too. So you can go ahead and just leave it like that. And what I usually do is I grab a hair over here and just like do this. And then over here, I'll do the same thing. Go ahead and twist it. Reasonable for you, you can go ahead and stop, but for me, I'm going for more in this look, so I'm going to keep twisting. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. Alright, so now I'm going to twist it a little more. We're working with one hand also. Twist it a little more to where it meets this hair. Okay. Alright. We're gonna try to get it up to in the ponytail from the back. You can tell me it's not cute. Nobody can tell me this is not cute. You want to see the back? Can you be? I cannot believe it. This is so cute. Like, okay, so this is it. Okay, so it's up. I'm gonna bring some to the front. Okay, so it looks like one is longer than the other, so we gotta fix that. It looks kind of like a butterfly. It's cute. It's super cute, super duper cute. I love it. I think this is gonna be the thumbnails because honestly, this is splendid. Like, this is amazing. If you don't like it in the front, be like, oh my gosh, like I can barely see, although you can see, but you just want to be extra, you can go ahead and put it on the side. There's nothing wrong with that. On the side. But if you want a little bang for all my bangs, girls, you can go ahead and put it in front. Or if you don't feel like doing your edges, you can put it in front. Looks just. This is so cute, guys. This is a hairstyle within itself. I just took it out of the ponytail and brought it forward. Just made 2 bangs, but I'm gonna slice it out with this hair glove, and I'm gonna do it start from the back. Tie it with this. I'm gonna go ahead and take out my bangs. So these 2. Then I'm gonna put the middle here in the ponytail. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a bun. But yes, this is the look. I do my edges for those who want me to do edges. I'm just gonna do my edges. I currently bought this True Edge Control Extra Hold Plus. Alright, this is what my edges looks like, guys. Thank you so much once again, guys. I highly appreciate you guys for staying with me and experiencing different hairstyles with this hair. Definitely, I'm going to be rocking all these hairstyles that I just demonstrated in the video, and I hope some of you guys can take it upon yourselves to try these hairstyles too, and come back to the video and leave a comment down and see how many compliments you get, because I'm sure you'll get some compliments. But yes, it was fun talking to you guys and doing different looks. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.